Welcome to the demo of the Simple Waterfall custom visual in Power BI. Simple Waterfall allows users to create a multi-step waterfall chart with full control to define how the measures are used and how they are laid out on the waterfall. User can define base pillars and the step measures to create the waterfall feel. You can move them around as well to get them in the right order without needing to create any custom sort order. This demo will show you how to create a simple waterfall chart and the functionalities available in this visual. You can see the simple waterfall on the screen and how it would look once we have completed our demo. So let's remove this waterfall first. And now let's start by dropping the simple waterfall on the canvas. The first step is to define the base pillars of your waterfall chart. To do that, let's first drop the measures that we have available here. And let's drop them on the visual. The way you define your base pillars and you separate your step measures is by adding the underscore sign before the name of each measure. You do that by renaming the measure in the visual and add underscore to define the base pillars. Let's move that at the beginning. The first measure has to be a base measure. And you can see the waterfall chart created. Now, obviously, we need more than one base measure here. So now let's define the next one, which is going to be that and that. So now we have got 3 base pillars and 3 step measures, and they're not arranged in the right order. So in order to arrange them in the right order, you do just move these measures around. So let's start with cross sale, which is be the first one. Then the next cell needs to go there, and the cross margin needs to go there. And you can see as I move them around, the waterfall changes and gives you the layout that we need. Additionally, you can also add commentary to this visual to give your users context of what this waterfall is trying to show. Let's make this full screen to give you a view of what this looks like. And that's it. And that's all you need to do is to create a multi-step waterfall using this new custom visual, Simple Waterfall. All the other interaction functionality are still available. So if you want to change scale, for example, select a product. We can also select a segment, and we can also select a country. And you can see the waterfall fully interacts with the other visuals. Now let's look at some of the formatting functionality we have. The obvious ones that is available. First of all, the sentiment color. So you can change the sentiment colors of your base pillar, which is total, and the step pillars depending on whether they are positive, favorable, and negative, which is adverse. So let's just start by changing the color there, and we'll make this slightly light green, and this a bit more lighter red. And you can see you can customize the colors as you need. On the axis, you have got the option to change the font size, font color, and the font family. So you can increase the size of the axis. You can change the color, and let's make it a bit black. And you can also select one of these many font families available. Let's go with that. You have the same options available for x-axis as well as for labels and for commentary. Within labels, you also have 2 additional options, and the options is to change the formatting of negative values into brackets. So as you can see, we have got negative values here. If I activate this option, it will convert those negative values into brackets. This is a very common way of formatting financial numbers in financial reports. The other option is to show or hide blank values. So if any of your measure is actually returning a 0 value, you can hide them if you want to. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use this new custom visual. I hope you find it useful, and I hope to hear from you on our GitHub page. Please leave your feedback or suggestions. Thank you.